Hey there folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into the world of how to create engaging Instagram stories. Instagram stories are your secret weapon for connecting with your audience. Here's how to make them pop. First up, let's talk visuals. Use eye-catching photos and videos. Nothing fancy, just your smartphone can work wonders. Keep it clean and easy to follow. Now, don't be shy about showing your true self. Authenticity is the name of the game. Share behind the scenes moments, your thoughts, and if it fits, a bit of humor. Here's a pro tip: get interactive. Use features like polls, questions, and quizzes. Your audience will love being a part of the story. Last but not the least, keep it short and sweet. Don't cram too much in there. Short and focused stories will keep your viewers engaged. And there you have it. You've learned the ropes of creating engaging Instagram stories. It's all about visuals, personality, interaction, and brevity. In a nutshell, Instagram stories are marketers' dream. Be yourself, keep it interesting, and watch your audience grow. Thanks for tuning in and learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create engaging Instagram stories. Catch you in the next video.